we start our season with great enthusiasm. In spite of blizzards one year, perhaps a flood another year, a strange insect, or an invasive weed, we give you on Backyard Farmer all that great science-based information in a fun and informative way that lets you enjoy the gardening world. With all the uncertainty in the world right now, it's easy for us to forget that some things are absolutely certain. And one of those, of course, is here comes spring. The sun will shine, the grass will grow, some of our buds are already breaking, and if only you could smell what I have in my hand, you would understand that one of the things we need to do when we need it the most is go outside and play. If you're going to go outside and play, you have to have something to play with in your garden. And of course, this is the preparation for the Backyard Farmer Garden. These are plants grown by the Horticulture Club. The garden centers are going to have plants and seeds and that great opportunity for you to engage with your family and your friends in the garden, in the great outdoors. So every single Thursday night, we show up like clockwork at NET Studio to bring you all that great information, just like we've been doing for the last 68 years. Welcome to Backyard Farmer.